Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I am, as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm just waiting for my husband. He's playing golf and I figured I would surprise him. I drove to the golf course. Well, I had errands to run today. I went to the P.O. box. I got my Ipsy box here, so I figured we could unbox this today while I'm waiting for him. I came here to surprise him, so I'm waiting for him to be finished. He doesn't know I'm here, you guys. Anywho, I figured it'd be fun to unbox this and see. I just got back from the post office, so I figured I'd unbox it while I'm waiting for him. So beauties, can I just tell you now, see, last month's box was not sealed. There was no seal. So now, I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but it just opened right up. Anything could have fallen out, but I wasn't sure what was going on. It was not from Ipsy, though. I found out there are so many strange things going on at my P.O. box. There's a lot of drama going on. I'm just opening the box here, and I found out some very strange things are going on because last time I went there, they go, "Oh, we lost some of your packages," and I was like, "What?" And then they were like, "We can't find them," and I was like, "Well, you know, because they tell you have packages there, and then you go and pick them up," and they were like, "Oh, you don't have any." They told me, they said, "Yeah, you have packages, but we don't know where they are. We can't find them." And I was like, there's some strange stuff going on here because you're telling me you lost my packages, and now you're telling me that. And then my other package was open. I said, there's some strange stuff going on here at this place. So it's not the mail. It's not the United States Post Office. It's, you know, just like a P.O. box place that you can go. Okay, guys, I got it open. I tore it. I had to tear it open because I don't have scissors or anything here. So I can't wait, guys. I'm so excited to see. Now oh my god, okay, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, let's see here. Right here it says Wanderlust, recharge, reset, and get off the grid. Yes, discover rare new ingredients, go wild with manis, and try techniques and soothe your skin and your mind. The greatest adventure awaits you. So, oh my gosh, guys, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is what is this, a palette? Posh Powder palette. So please, before I get into this box though, I do get the creator box. So I get the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and some other goodies. So I figured today we would do a makeup subscription box unboxing for this Ipsy box. And so this is the Ipsy creator box that we're going to open today. So now this is from a company called Douche. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but you guys, they had sent me, or I have in my possession for some reason, an eyeliner from this company, and it's so good. It's a kohl eyeliner. So this probably might be really good too because their kohl eyeliner is amazing. So let me see here. This is a blush and highlighter palette, I believe, if I could ever get into it. I don't want to rip it, you know, because you guys see how I just rip stuff open and it's just like an animal tore it up. Okay, here it is. Okay, look at this. Ooh, it's very beautiful packaging. Plastic. I get that from Christina. I love Christina. She always does that. Christina Mark Taylor. I'll link her down below if you guys watch. Ooh, look how beautiful. Guys, that's gorgeous. It's a blush and highlighter palette, and those are some gorgeous blushes. Should I try it? Because I do. You guys know I brought the whole kit and caboodle with me. I brought my whole makeup bag with me. I brought my whole makeup bag with me today, guys, because I was gonna get ready in the car. So that's what I did, you know, to put some makeup on and whatnot. But I have some little brushes here. This is just a broken brush, but I want to try this blush. This looks so gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. It just melted into my skin. Oh, that's a beautiful blush. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay. I'm definitely keeping this. This is gorgeous. No, because some things I will save for a giveaway if I have something similar already or things of that nature, but I don't have anything like that. So, I mean, I love that. I need that. So here, beauties, they sent this. Oh, Tarte 4-in-1 mascara, lights, camera lashes from Tarte. I'm addicted to mascara now, so I can't wait to try this. Look at that. It looks amazing. Let's get why is it 4-in-1, guys? I'm not sure, but it doesn't say. But maybe it's curls, primes, and all that good stuff. With 4-in-1. Okay. What? Oh, is there literature inside? I'm so obsessed with the literature, guys. You guys are like, just who cares, Alegra? Okay. I don't know why it's 4-in-1, and I know you guys, but it's beautiful packaging. It's like purple with I wish I do have mascara on, but let's see if this does anything for us. Yeah, it looks like it did something. I do have my Ico London Beach mascara on, which I'm obsessed with. Yeah, I don't know, because I had so much mascara on. So we'll try this another day. Maybe we could come back and try that another day. So let's keep it moving, guys. Here is, they also sent a Maraud Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. Oh, I love that. I'm so addicted to skincare now. This is so awesome, because I was waiting for my husband and I said, oh, I hope this mascara didn't just get on my face. Oh yeah, so I was waiting for my husband. I said I was gonna go to Sephora, but this is better than going to Sephora. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent something from Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Nourishing and Smoothing Lip Pop. So I can't wait to use that, because I love Glow Recipe and I love lip stuff. So here is a Lauren Conrad eyeliner. I think her line is Clean Beauty, so I think that's what it says. It's going to be a long wearing, non-smearing formula. Oh, it's a liquid liner. Oh, I thought it might be, I thought this was, oh, this is nice. I thought this might be a kohl liner or pencil liner, but it's actually liquid liner. Oh, it's beautiful, you guys. It says it's non-smearing, and my eyes are very oily today because I didn't put any, you know, primer or concealer on my eyes. Oh, this is beautiful. And you know what? It's black, but it's not, I don't know, there's something about it. This is, wow. This is beautiful. It's just like a perfect black, though. It's not, I don't know how to say it. It looks almost like a granite. I have really oily lids and I have super hooded eyes, and this just went on like a dream. It just, let's see if it smudges. And it's very hot out today, guys. It's not smudging so far though. And a lot of eyeliners, liquid liners, I put them on and they'll start smudging like immediately. So this is amazing. This is gorgeous for doing that little flick. You could probably, of course you could probably line your whole eyes. Oh yeah, this is amazing. You know what, guys? This is an amazing, sorry about that. This is an amazing liquid liner, because it's staying put. It's not already transferring. A lot of times they have already started transferring on my eyes with the hooding. I want to do this look too, when people just have that natural face and then just a flick of liner, but my eyes are very hard to work with, and I can never find a good liner, and it'll take me a while to do this kind of look. But this is amazing. Wow, this is amazing. I'm really shocked, you guys, because like I said, I've been wanting to do this look, but it's very hard with hooded eyes. But this, okay, so far it's staying put. It's not smudging. I'm putting that right away in my makeup bag. That was just everything. It's super hot in my car. I turned the air conditioner on for a minute so I could come chill and hang out with you guys. But so it's super hot in here and it's not smudging. Wow, and it did those perfect little wings. Wow, and it's not smudging. You guys can see this is real time. So anyway, guys, let me see what else. So this is phenomenal already, guys. How phenomenal is this? First of all, this palette is beautiful. The Glow Recipe lip, which I will definitely be using. Maybe I can put this on right now. The Tarte mascara looks amazing. Maraud. Guys, my husband's calling me. I'll be right back. Let me just answer it because he's calling. Guys, that was my husband. I thought he was gonna be done like now, because usually, but anyway, he said he's gonna be 2 more hours, so I'm just gonna finish unboxing this, and then I'll just go home. Well, I don't know. Anyway, so oh my gosh, guys, look at this. They sent a Milk makeup. Now this is in the actual glam bag, so probably what I just unboxed was some Glam Bag Plus items, which came in this beautiful little bag, and some creator goodies. I'm not sure what everybody gets is different, but this is the actual glam bag. So hopefully this is the same with everybody. Hopefully everybody gets this. So it came in this beautiful little envelope clutch, and then you guys, there is a Milk makeup cream blush, which I love. This is pretty much my favorite, one of my favorite cream blushes. This is the one I use all the time. I'm wearing it right now. I love it. And then here is a Verso facial cleanser. So hopefully I'll try that love that. Oh, but guys, look, 1111 Skin. Now, this company is so good. Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. I can't wait to use this. I didn't realize, but this 1111 skincare is super pricey. So, because one time they had given eye masks, and I didn't realize how expensive they were. And I went to Blue Mercury, and they were like $100 for like 3, you know, a box of 3. So, anyhow. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent a sparkling liquid eyeshadow from the Balm. Oh, I haven't used the Balm in so long. This used to be my favorite. Oh, this is really nice. Now, this is awesome. And guys, my liner is still staying. I'm going to just get closer so I can show you guys. But it is so hot in here. And this liner has not budged. So that liner is freaking amazing. Because I use waterproof liner, everything. And it's very fine tip. And it will still have, it would have smudged by now. Because that's how it is with my hooded lashes, well, my hooded eyes. So, and then here is the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask, which I have a sample of this already, and I'm using it, and I pretty much love it. I don't know if I see a huge difference, but it's all good. I love Glow Recipe, so I'm just, you know, whatever. I'm happy to just put it on, but I'm very particular with my, you know. Anyhow, guys, I'm not gonna just keep rambling. You know what I'm trying to say. Would I purchase it from the sample? No. But, you know, maybe I need serious stuff for my eyes, because my eyes have a lot of issues with the hooding and the things going on. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. I also did, should I just show you really quickly? I got this package here at my PO box. This is from, I'm going to be using this on my, trying this out. She has a makeup company, and it's beautiful. It's, I want to say the name right, but oh my god, she had written to me. Wow, it's called Janae. I'm going to make sure I say this right, Beauty, but look at that. Oh my god. You know what? I was supposed to try this out for her. For some reason, I thought she was sending me red. Oh my god, isn't this beautiful? Wow. And the packaging is beautiful. It has all pearl detailing. So I'm gonna just want to make sure that's oh, it looks beautiful in my bag. Oh my god. Yes, she had written to me. She has a makeup company. It's just a small business, I believe, small women-owned business. Janae, Rashida Bell, Janae Beauty, Janae Beauty. So I'm pretty sure I don't know if I'm saying that right, but hopefully I did. But I'll link it below, because this is gorgeous. It feels amazing. That color is gorgeous. And I'm gonna do a little demo for my Instagram or something like that, so you guys can see better. But thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my makeup subscription box unboxing. This Ipsy box, the Ipsy Creator Box, it's Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let me know what you guys think of it. Did you get similar stuff in your box? Let me know down below. And yeah, guys, there was an issue at my PO box, but I'll tell you another day, because it is. I'm gonna melt. Let me put my air conditioner on, but it's gonna be so loud. It's gonna be too loud. Anyway, guys, I'll let you go. I'm gonna run. So I will check back in with you guys later. I love you, beauties, so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.